Okay, I'm drawing this guy here, and I found a moment that I think will illustrate an aspect of observational drawing or caricature or portraiture, and it has to do with structure, and it's basically this. So as I'm drawing this fellow, I'm going in and I'm thinking in terms of common structures. For instance, a real common structure might just be to say mouth, or how we think of a mouth. Just this shape with two lips and some teeth and some dark area inside the mouth. So that's kind of how we think of a mouth. Now, as I'm looking at this photo, you see the area at the edge of his mouth. It's very dark there, but as I look at the photo, in this moment, as I go from treating this as two separate areas, as I add this gradation here, what's happening is, as I take note of the dark area and I treat it with the gradient, I'm acknowledging a different structure than the one that I set out in thinking about consciously. So as we put this in here, then the mouth, it's possible to find the best possible likeness within some particular structure, but to find the best possible likeness, period, requires opening up the structure, opening up the typical ways of dealing with the face. And then you start to find the shapes in the face that really resonate that likeness for you. Now, and I'm not saying that this is the right decision, but I'm just talking about observing the lights and darks in the photo, the shapes that are really happening. So there's a simplifying that can happen in caricatures, but there's no sense in saying simplified, simplified, simplified. I guess I just want you to, this idea to hopefully resonate. Boop, boop, boop. Okay? But if you observe the shadows and then you see that gradation there, it might be a different simplification that needs to happen. Because gradients are simple too. Just because you're simplifying doesn't mean you're forced to break down the face into eyes, nose, mouth. There are many great examples out there, but it depends on what shapes force the likeness to resonate with you and finding those shapes. Thank you.